Ever wonder why some people seem to have endless energy, glowing skin, and a rock-solid mindset, while the rest of us are just dragging through the day, surviving on coffee and willpower? What if I told you that the secret isn't some crazy diet or expensive supplement, it's just a well-designed daily routine? Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate science-backed daily routine for a healthy, energetic, and balanced life. And no, this isn't about waking up at 4 a.m. or doing ice baths, unless you want to. This is about simple, sustainable habits that actually work. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to transform your days and your health. The morning routine. 2 hours after waking. Let's start with the most important part of your day, the morning. What you do in those first 2 hours sets the tone for everything that follows. First, hydrate before caffeine. As soon as you wake up, drink a big glass of water. Your body is dehydrated after 6-8 hours of sleep, and water kickstarts your metabolism, flushes toxins, and helps brain function. Wait at least 30 minutes before coffee. This prevents that mid-morning crash. Next, sunlight and movement. Within 30 minutes of waking, get outside for 5-10 minutes of natural light. This resets your circadian rhythm, boosts serotonin, your happy hormone, and improves sleep quality later. Pair this with light movement, stretching, a short walk, or yoga. No intense workouts yet, just wake up your body gently. Finally, a protein-rich breakfast. Skip the sugary cereals or toast. Go for eggs, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with protein powder. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, keeps you full longer, and prevents energy crashes. Bonus points for adding healthy fats like avocado or nuts. Pause for effect. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have time for this. But here's the truth. You don't need 2 hours. Even 20-30 minutes of these habits will make a massive difference. Midday mastery, work and productivity. Shift tone slightly, more focused. Alright, let's talk about the 9 to 5, or whatever your schedule looks like. Most people waste their peak energy hours. Here's how to optimize them. The 90-minute focus rule. Your brain works best in 90-minute cycles. Work in focused sprints, then take a real break. No scrolling on your phone. Stand up, walk around, hydrate. This prevents burnout and keeps productivity high. The lunch that won't make you crash. Avoid heavy carb-loaded meals at lunch. Instead, go for lean protein, veggies, and complex carbs, like quinoa or sweet potatoes. This keeps your energy stable and avoids that 3 p.m. slump. Afternoon slump fixed. If you hit a wall, don't reach for sugar or caffeine. Try 1. A 10-minute walk, outside if possible. 2. Deep breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4, exhale 6. 3. A quick power nap, 10-20 minutes max. These are game changers for sustained energy. Evening wind down. 6 p.m. bedtime. Your evening routine is just as important as your morning. It determines how well you sleep, recover, and even how you feel the next day. Digital sunset. At least 1 hour before bed. Put away screens. Blue light messes with melatonin, your sleep hormone. Instead, try 1. Reading a book, real book, not Kindle. 2. Journaling. Dump your thoughts on paper. 3. Light stretching or meditation. The perfect dinner. Keep dinner light but satisfying. Focus on fiber, veggies, healthy fats, salmon, olive oil, and easy-to-digest protein. Avoid heavy, greasy foods. They disrupt sleep. Prep for tomorrow. Spend 5 minutes setting up for the next day. Lay out clothes, pack lunch, write your top 3 priorities. This reduces morning stress and decision fatigue. Sleep. The ultimate health hack. Let's talk about sleep, the most underrated health habit. Poor sleep ruins your metabolism, mood, immunity, and even ages you faster. Here's how to fix it. 1. Consistent bedtime, even on weekends. Yes, really. 2. Cool, dark room. 65-68 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. 3. No late caffeine. Cut it by 2 p.m. If you do nothing else from this video, prioritize sleep. It's the foundation of everything. And there you have it, the perfect daily routine for a healthy life. No extremes, no nonsense, just science-backed habits that work. Now, I want to hear from you. Which habit are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, actionable health tips. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Start with one thing today, and build from there. You've got this. See you in the next video.